Hey friends, if you wish to change the startup sound in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. But before changing the startup sound, you need to understand one thing, that fast startup needs to be disabled. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the power options window. Go to choose what power buttons to, click on change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck the option for turn off fast startup, then click on save changes. Now search change sound in the Windows search bar, change system sounds, okay, and open this page. Change this to Windows default and then check this box here, play Windows startup sound, and let's say that you wish to change it for something else. Startup, wait a minute. For any of these, then you can change the startup sound from here. You can change it to the Windows background sound, or you can change it to, let's say, when some other sort of sound, okay, but make sure that this is checked. Play Windows startup sound and then click on apply and then click on OK to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.